Hello, welcome to 4D Dig. Have you met the problem that accidentally deleted the important files and emptied the trash bin on Mac? Is it possible to find them back to the computer? The answer is yes, obviously, otherwise this video wouldn't exist. We will introduce 3 methods to recover deleted files from trash bin on Mac. Before start, please subscribe our channel, then you won't miss other videos. Method 1. Recover files by undo and putback from trash bin. Let's start with the simple method. First, open the trash bin from dock. You will see your deleted files here. Then you can drag the files out the trash bin or right-click the files and select Putback option to recover files. And you need to know that any files on trash bin could be only remained for 30 days. Method 2. Recover files by Time Machine. Time Machine is an official software for Mac that can back up the file. First, you can find the Time Machine from Finder. You can click up or down arrow to choose which backup is what you need. Find the files, and you can preview it. Click Restore, and you can get the files from their original location. However, if you didn't turn on the Time Machine ahead of the time, you can use the last method. Method 3. Use 4D Dig McData Recovery. 4D Dig McData Recovery is a professional software that's special designed for macOS system. It can scan your disks and recover all files. Download and install 4D Dig Mac. First, launch 4D Dig. You will see all locations are here. Select the disk where the file's lost. Click Scan. Now 4D Dig starts to scan the disk. Once you find the lost file, you can select it and preview it. Then click Recover. You may need to save the file to a different location and confirm it. Now, your lost file is back to your computer. Alright, this is all for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you in the next video.